Deliverable 6, Applying Quality Improvement Methods. This project is being submitted on February 21st, 2018. What is a quality improvement plan? A quality improvement plan includes essential information about how your organization will design, implement, and assess quality. The purpose of a quality improvement plan, or a QI plan, is to enhance the safety, efficiency, and effectiveness of all businesses from healthcare processes and the performance of delivering products to human resources. Why are quality improvement plans developed? Data is used to ensure the goals are accomplished and they are existing with improved outcomes. It also focuses on efficiencies such as provider and client expectations and addressing outcome improvement. Measures outcomes to determine processes towards relevant evidence-based standards. To provide a process with identified leadership, accountability, and dedicated resources. And also to provide leadership and organizational structure within the organization. What use are QI plans for healthcare facilities? Improve leadership involvement. Improving leadership skills are key to performance improvement. Provide continuous improvement. Processes must be continually reviewed and improved. To achieve measurable improvement in the highest priority areas, such as customer satisfaction, leadership, and performance. To also implement quantitative measurement to assess key processes or outcomes. And to carefully prioritize identified problems and set goals for their resolution. What are potential uses for your facility to have a QI plan? Adaptive leadership, culture and governance, providing essential analytics, also improving patient experience. Use QI plan in order to provide safe, effective healthcare. Determining the appropriate quality improvement goals. And it will also sustain healthcare through successful continuous quality improvement.